I also enjoyed, actually after completing the session and all, I went to nearby Kumaraswamy temple. Dr. Tripadi bring me to there. I was enjoyed a lot. Okay, thank you a lot, my brother. Okay, fine. Actually, I planned my session up to yesterday evening only. Unfortunately, today one resource person not came here. So that's why I want to once again disturb you. Huh? Okay, sorry for that. Actually, there are some portions we missed yesterday. I am trying to cover today. And if you are having any doubt on the yesterday session, you can ask me anytime. Okay, like that you can go. Actually, first I will speak about some problems and how can you rectify your problem. Like that we will go. Actually, generally, currently all the journals are either Elsevier, Taylor and Francis, Wiley, all the journals are converting their journal into the paid journal. Actually, and nowadays we are getting more rejection, am I right? How many of you try it? If you are uploading any paper within 10 days, 12 days, 5 days, your paper is getting rejected, and they are giving one more session also. There are alternate journals they are suggesting you. That journals are the open access journals. Am I right? Okay, fine. So, generally we don't have the practice to read the guidelines in the journal. Am I right? How many of you read the guidelines, all the guidelines in the journal? Okay, fine. Actually, there are some possibility to publish your article which is open access without paying APC, article process charge. Okay. Actually, this year I have published 10 articles in a open access journal without paying APC. Okay, that secret I am going to tell you now. How can you publish an article in a open access journal without paying APC? Okay, fine. Actually, when you are entering into any journal, you have to read the policy in a journal. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to open a particular journal which is open access journal, and what is their policy and what they are mentioning. Then how can you publish an article without paying APC? Okay, but you must be very ethical. You should not pay only. Okay, fine. So first I will open an open access journal website, and I am going to read the guidelines given by that particular journal. And is there any other way to publish article without APC also? We will read. And accordingly, I can show you my login and all, how I publish it. Okay, fine. Actually, yesterday I told you that the same channel name I will pronounce you once again and again. That is the Journal of Natural Fiber. So from there only I am going to start it today. Sir, please support me to connect internet, sir. You connect internet to anybody but not connected to me. Please. You should. Chabra? Sir, or go. Please check my internet, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
50 members అని ఏదో అన్నాడు సార్ వేయమంటారా సార్ వస్తున్నారండి పైన ఆ టైప్ కాదు ఇంకో టేబుల్ ఏదంటే ఈ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ తిరిగి టేబుల్ ఏదంటే ల్యాబ్లో ఉంటే తెచ్చాను
Fracture.
Okay, sir. Yesterday we connected to LAN server.
Yes, yes.
That's right.
Thank you, sir. Sir, actually, I will start from my favorite channel, since I am the editorial board member in this channel. Even I can show you, I am really an editorial board member, okay. Actually, I was appointed as the editorial board member when I was in Kamaraj Engineering College, Madurai. I think it's before 3 years. Okay, now we can go to this journal and we may read about this journal. Please note that Journal of Natural Fiber convert to full open access journal from volume 2023. Previous volume will continue to provide the access through the pay to read mode. Okay, open access means we have to pay the article processing charge. Am I right, sir? We have to pay the article processing charge. Okay, fine. Now you can come here. Journal of Natural Fiber is an open access journal and only publishes open access article. Publishing open access means that your article will be free to access online immediately on publication, increasing the visibility, readership and impact of research. Article processing charges. To publish open access in this journal, you may be asked to pay the article processing charges. You may be able to publish your article at no cost yourself or with a reduced ABC if your institution or research funder has the open access agreement or membership with Taylor and Francis. This is the open access policy of the particular journal. Okay, you can go and read what they are saying. This is open access channel, full open access. Its ISSN number, all information they are given. Okay. Then you can click here. Sir, please read the information here. Corresponding author with premium application in country that were defined by the World Bank as low income country, which also have cross domestic GDP of less than $100 billion are entitled to 100% ABC waiver. Sir, they are not asked you, they are not tell that all the author must be from that kind of country. They just tell that corresponding author may be from the particular country. Okay, then we have to check what are the eligible country. Sir, these are all the countries called as the low income countries. Afghanistan, Chad, Eritrea, Libya, Maldives, Mali, South Sudan, Uganda, Ukraine.
Good morning all. All of you deposit your mobile phones in the box.
Fine. So these are all the different countries which are eligible for the 100% fee waiver. So understand, sir? Sir, when you are writing the article, okay, for this particular journal of natural fiber, they are asking 2000 USD for the publication. 2000 USD, how much? What, sir? 1.6 lakhs. Okay, so for publishing one single article in the Journal of Natural Fiber, you have to pay the 1.6 lakhs. Okay, but alternatively, if you are finding collaborator from this area, and upload your article by using their login, that is 100% fee waiver. Pardon? Okay. Yes, no worry. So the corresponding author must be from these countries. The persons who uploading your article, they must be belongs to this country. They must be have the affiliation with this country. If they are having affiliation in this country, if they are working on any of this country, they completely give the fee waiver. So it's not applicable to the research scholars and those who are doing research. It is applicable to the persons who completed research. Because already I told you that when you are submitting thesis for the eligible paper, your supervisor must be the corresponding author. So sometime we are here, we want to publish article very quickly. We are getting pressures from the R&D department. We want to publish at least 1 or 2 articles. Without 2 articles, we will not consider your appraisal. In that case, you can use. Okay, for my case, I am using such kind of tricks. Not only this journal, all the Taylor and Francis open access journal, they are having the same policy. But the only task is you have to find some people from this area. Okay, actually, Wiley, Taylor and Francis or Springer are having the same kind of policy, but Elsevier is having the different kind of policy. Actually, for this Springer, Taylor and Francis, Wiley allowing that only corresponding author can be from the low income country. If anybody coming in your article who are communicating author of your paper from these countries, they are completely waiving the fees. Okay, actually generally Ukraine is not in the list. Since there is a war is going in Ukraine, they are included in this list. It is temporarily Ukraine also in the list. Okay, so first you just check. Actually for my case what happened, I have helped one of my friend when he did my PhD in Tamil Nadu. Currently he is in Eritrea. He is my close friend. So I am communicating more than 10 papers to the Journal of Natural Fiber through his login or through him. It is getting through. So 10 papers when you just think that 2 lakhs rupees into 20 lakhs rupees I was saved. Okay. So we have to read what they are saying, what is open access, when they are giving the ABC waiver, and what are the country they are giving the ABC waiver, whether they are asking for any other conditions. Because the same policy in Elsevier is completely different. Even I can show you what is the policy of the Elsevier also. When Wiley, Springer, Taylor and Francis very clearly says that they are having a list of countries. If you are communicating any paper the persons from this country as a corresponding author, they are giving complete fee waiver. Okay, and they are giving me some discount also. That also you can check. Sometimes they are giving a very good discount for India. Some journals are giving up to 70%, 5% discount for India. Okay, so we can check that also. Countries eligible for the article publishing charges discount. These countries only need to pay the 50% APC. Even Sri Lanka, Sudan, Tanzania. Actually, this list also varying from publisher to publish. Some publisher considering Ethiopia in the first category. Some publisher considering only Eritrea in this first category. Okay, when you are uploading the journal, you have to check that journal's conditions. Okay, the same case, if you come to the Elsevier case, actually in Elsevier they are having different conditions. This GPOT pilot, this is the Acta Physiologica. There are many journals are there. Here article processing charges 2,430 USD, that is around 2 lakhs rupees. Okay, but this particular journal which is participating in the GPOA pilot, what is the meaning for that? You just come and read. Elsevier is piloting the program from Jan 2022, set the ABC prices for 143 cold access journals according to the income level of the country of the corresponding author. The same program given for the Elsevier also, but not for all the journals. They are listed out that these are the journals where the corresponding author from that poor country we are ready to accept. Okay, this is the journal list. Low income country, different lists they are giving. The policy also they are giving. For low income country there is no ABC need to pay. But here you can see that Ethiopia, Eritrea both are coming. It's very easy to find the person from Ethiopia. There are many Indians, they are working at Ethiopia. If you are find the people, or no need to find the Indians, any professors from Ethiopia you can find. We already have a tool. I already introduced the research kit. How can you use? You just send them. Okay, you can see here. I can show you my Ethiopian contact. Okay, so you have to find the persons in the such kind of countries and you have to make them the somewhat good collaboration. Actually, in Elsevier is not only having 100 open access journals, they are having more than 1,000 open access channels. For all other journals, they are giving condition that all the author from the such kind of countries. They are giving exception to the one or few journals only. So first you have to read the complete journal list. What are the journals? And what are the journals are fit for your aim and scope? That is what you have to finalize. So 100, if that they are giving the 100 journals list, you just read the journal title itself, you can easily identify. So I am working on the material science, so that I can easily identify that. What are the journals I can publish? Agriculture, water management, it's not suitable for me. Biochemistry and biophysics reports I can publish. Biofilm I can try. Case studies in chemical and environmental engineering I can study. case studies in construction materials. Composite part B is there. It's completely related to my area. Sir, actually, when you are publishing article in the open access journal, it is increasing your citation also. Because anyone can access that one. So, this is the one kind of way to save your APC. Sir, when you are going with the paid journals, your rejection rate is very lower. That is true. That's what I tell you yesterday. Publication is a big industry. It's a big corporate. They are running journal for earning money. Okay. Whether you are uploading the paper, actually whether this discount is applied to a APC or not, it will be decided after accepting your article only. So if you are uploading any article to any paid journal, the process time is quite high than normal journals. Okay. So what I am saying, every publisher in open access section, they are giving some guidelines. You have to read that guidelines. Whether they are giving the full APC waiver or half APC waiver, and what about the APC waiver for Indians? Because sometime, as I told you earlier, your university said that the corresponding author must be the scholar or supervisor. Okay, you find some journal, they are asked you to pay only 20% of the APC. Maybe 30,000 or 40,000. You just pay and publish the paper. For that your area, you have to do the research on it. I cannot do it. Okay. And yesterday, I have received some queries that some professor approached me. Sir, please tell me that to whom I want to follow. I cannot identify them. How can I identify the exact person? Like that, the people are asking me even completion of this program also. So for that also, I am going to give you some tricks. Okay, fine. Sir, by using your research topic itself, you can easily identify the peoples. Fine. Now I am going to tell you that, sorry, this section is closed today. You have to do research on the APC waiver, and you have to find what are the countries are eligible, and you have to find some collaborator from that country, and you have to apply. Okay, already I enjoyed more than 15 papers from the Taylor and Francis. This year itself. Fine. Yes. Yeah, actually that also I want to reveal with you. I can show you some of the agreement also. In India, what are the institutions are having the agreement with the Taylor and Francis. Okay. Some institutions are having did some agreement with the Wiley. Okay, but you have to check everything. For sampling purpose, I will show you who are the institutions are already signed the MOU with the Taylor and Francis. Okay, sir? Fine. What, sir? You have to get this. Actually, that is the risk, sir. Now, this time, because if you are including one more corresponding author, they cancel the APC, mean you have to pay 2 lakhs. Why you want to go that? And actually, here, in Asia, there are 50 institutions are signed MOU. In India, there are 14 institutions are signed MOU with the Taylor and Francis, Chettinad Academy of Research and Education, IIT Kharagpur, what sir say exactly, IIT Kharagpur, Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, even you can go and see their agreement also. Okay, otherwise you can talk with the people from the MS Ramaya. Okay, sometimes they give the very lower APC waiver. So you have to first check with the people from MS Ramaya. Actually, as per my knowledge, for MS Ramaya, they are giving the complete APC waiver for the first 50 papers. Okay, even our institution in pipeline with the, to sign MOU with the ABC waiver, with the Taylor and Francis. Okay, even you also can consider it, ma'am, no worry, because I think they are asking 18 lakhs, but they are giving the ABC waiver for the up to 50 articles per year. Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Punjab Engineering College, Sarda University, because you may very easily touch with them. SOA University from Odisha is there, Bhubaneswar is there. You just connect to the people from them and ask them to support you. Symbiosis Law School and even VIT is having the open access agreement with the this Taylor and Francis. Okay, so you can approach the such institutions, connect with the people from that institution and upload your paper through their login. You will get the 100% ABC waiver. Fine. Actually, this is the one of the trick to increase the publication of the institute. What happen if my institution having the ABC waiver, surely whatever the paper you are writing and given to me, then I will upload and I will get the authorship. That's what I am telling, everything is corporate, everything is a business. So you have to find the right way to swim. This is the one of the way to find the publishing article without paying ABC. Fine. And actually some people sir approached me, sir, how to select the Guruji for my area? I cannot do it, sir. Please support me, like that. Some people sir approached me yesterday. So I am going with the Google Scholar alone. Again, Google Scholar. This time I am not directly goes to my profile. I am just type it to Google Scholar in the Google. And you have to enter from here. Here you can see that my library, my profile, some other information is also there. Here you want to type the area where you are working. Maybe energy, maybe nanomaterials, maybe diode, maybe image processing, anything. Whatever the your research specialization, you just type it here. Then, now actually the person name with the underline, it's only having the Google Scholar account. You just go and see their profile. This particular person is having around 900 citation, okay, fine. Go here. Okay. You just sort the papers by the year. For 2025 itself, he is having many papers. Now you can follow this person. Is it easy, sir? What you find? First you are selecting your area of research and type it in the Google Scholar and it is going to show you some papers and all. If needed, you can sort that also. You can simplify once again. Go. I have typed the word and sort since 2025 itself. And recent publications only will come here. Now go and see the profile of the particular professor. Check them. Check 4 and 5 papers. Surely you will find some wonderful profiles. Sometimes people who have more than 1,000, 5,000 citation, that will be better to follow. Now you can sort it, you can follow this person, you can easily identify the persons working in the area of diodes. Is it easy? Easy or not? For problem solved. Fine. Some other way also there. You may try with the Scopus also. Like Google Scholar, in Scopus login also you may try. The same thing you can do it in Scopus also. Fine. Sir, when you enter into Scopus and type in research discovery, type any of your keyword, any polymer composites, natural fiber, diode, any of your keyword and search. It is going to list out the authors and who published the higher number of paper on particular area. You can easily identify. Diode, image processing, specifically you have to mention the research area of the particular research area, then it is going to give the complete list. Any area, anything, any keywords you can give and you can easily find the persons working on this area. Susarat Zezin is very close with me. He is the president of a university in the Thailand, King Mongkut University, North Bangkok. Sanjay is my close friend. Okay, actually he is having the site is now 26,295. Okay, if you come, actually you can see my name also, but it may be in the language. Actually he is my colleague and close friend. I don't know, actually sometimes it's missing because we are not properly mentioned the keywords in our paper. Actually it's started everything based on the keywords only. But for you, actually you want to find some profile, you want to follow. Okay, what I am doing nowadays, actually Sanjay is publishing article frequently. I think he is publishing 3 to 4 articles per month. I am just following his profile. Yeah, whenever I am having confusion in which channel I am going to upload, I am just goes to the Sanjay's profile and what channel is getting acceptance very recently. The same channel I am uploading. That is what I am doing. Generally, what is research? There are difference between the innovation and the invention. We are generally not doing any invention, we are doing only innovations. So already there are some papers are publishing, we are just changing the parameters and going with the publication. So we are doing only innovation. So if you are finding article and they are changing some parameter and publishing it, you know, if you find that exact way, it's very easy for you to also publishing article. It's very easy to change the parameter and you can publish. Fine. So I request everyone to identify at least 5 to 10 persons working on your area. They will be the Guruji for you. Use the Google Scholar, use the Scopus and identify some persons. And list out them. They may be your supervisor, they may be your club. Find the person, it's very easy to find the entire network. Actually, this is my research area. That's what I typed there. Okay. All these, everybody is in touch with me. Like that, you have to develop your contact. Even I can show you that. I will tell you one by one, so that you can understand that how you need to develop your contact. I am just typed this word, natural. Okay, Sanjay is my friend. Actually, basically he is from Karnataka, but he now settled in the Thailand. And Elias, I think I saved his name. Rajesh Kumar sir, also my friend. What? This is the Rajesh Kumar from BAG High Tech. Then Natrayan, I know he is from Savita. Yesterday only I spoke with him regarding on PhD admission. I think Sanduli also, one of my friend, actually he is basically from the Italy. Long time I didn't disturb him. Actually, no one is not tell you that I will not give you your WhatsApp number and all. But how you have to approach, first send them the collaboration invitation, publish one or two article, or else you have to write something to them. Actually, you just know here. How I started my conversation with Sandli. I recently only connected with him. Sir, greetings, Professor. I am Dr. Sandamarikan, so and so. I got your number from my research circle. I never tell that who got given to anything. My friend is planned to submit her thesis. I need your permission to recommend your name as a reviewer. He accepted it. Their research network. But sometime I need his name to recommend his name as a reviewer. That's why I send a message to him. Okay. So like that, we have to develop the friends like that. Sir, actually, it's especially for the senior process. Generally, what happen? Our student is writing article and publishing article and submitting thesis. How we are recommending that? Please check some top profiles and recommend their name as a reviewer. What happen? They will accept the invitation and they will not give the comments more than a year. I can show you some case studies. One of my friends submitted his thesis before 1 year, but he not yet received the comments. If they are in your WhatsApp contact or in your close circle, what happened? Actually, we are generally directly not contact the examiners. But your friend's friend you can contact. I can show you some examples also. Here itself, I am having one friend. His name is Ismail. He is working at the UK. He is a frequent reviewer of the thesis. Okay. If somebody recommended Ismail name, they will come to, they are tell to me. Okay, actually sometimes it is a headache also. What happened? Professor, I hope this is the remainder meets you well today. It is already almost 3 weeks after our last discussion on PhD payment. Because actually one university in India, they are giving the thesis for review, but they delayed the payment. He asked me again and again, I convinced him, then he thanked me that I received the payment. Okay, so such kind of contacts are much needed. Even actually, I am only having 1 or 2 PhD scholars very recently listed under me, but I am today supporting for a lot of peoples. If somebody want to submit the thesis in my area, they approach me only. So today I am having a very good database about the process. Even I can show you that this is my database. What, ma'am? Okay, I will. Sura project. Okay. Here, you can see here. I cannot English it, ma'am. You can see here, I have around 11 Indian reviewers working on my area. They are from the different country. Actually, I used to manage what all the database are asked by the university itself. Just copy and paste in the portal and I can get it. Okay, these are all my good friends. Somebody from the National Aerospace Laboratory, somebody from the IIT, somebody from the NIT. But those who are respond properly, those who are answer me properly, he is Dr. Arun Srinivasan from the NIL, National Aerospace Laboratory, Bangalore. He is my close friend, he is like my brother. And sometime I can show you, like Dr. Kogul Raj, his close friend, Dr. Praveen Nagarajan is the Joint Director of National Institute of Fashion Technology. Even whenever I am going to Chennai, I used to stay at his home only. Sir, actually it's everything is based on the human relationship only. If you are maintaining good relationship with the people, surely you can easily go through it. If you don't have the friends like this, it will take 1 more year for the reviewing your students' thesis. No one, actually every R&D department they are giving some procedures. Once they are sending the review for the thesis, they can send them 3 remainder. After that only they can cancel and go for the another reviewer. So first step itself you have to do it. I can tell you that last week one brother called me, one friend called me, he submitted thesis 1 year ago. After 3 remainders, last month only our university once again send the same thesis to the another reviewer. So this kind of unwanted time delay can be removed by using your smart networking. Okay, so this Google Scholar and Scopus may help you to find the persons in your area. After finding the persons and you have to connect with them. This Surampalem is very close with me. Sir, what we are doing actually, I come to know that Surampalem is having some health problem and all. I just call them, how are you? Just talk with them, sir. This is a way to connect with the people. Okay. Manikam Ramesh sir, I know very well. Vijay is my close friend. Actually, today morning he called me. If you are in the list of these 100 peoples, that's what I am telling you. Most of the time, more than 50 times, if I am uploading any paper to the channel, it goes to my circle only. Because my circle is like that. Okay, fine sir. I think hope you all understand that how to find the extra Guruji in your area. Okay, not only finding, you have to connect with them. You have to speak with them. Sir, everybody is ready to speak with you. But the way what you are following, that is very much essential. Fine. Okay. Sir, actually yesterday I spoke about one website, but I didn't show that website. But however, I need to show you because we are having that time. There is a website named babbir.com. Babbir.com, you just check it. Babbir.com. Actually, this is the problem maker. Here the persons are discussing about your published papers and commenting about your published papers. Actually, in my paper also, they find the number of mistakes and commenting about it. And even they are ready to send the comments to the editor directly. If you are doing any manipulation, if you are doing any mistake, if there is a problem, basic problem in your research area, the people here discussing about it, like our Facebook, like our research kit. Here they are discussing about your ethical publication of ethics. Okay. is there any problem with your paper and all, they are discussing about it and commenting about your paper, and if they find any major mistake, they are sending mail to the journal editor directly to retract your paper. Okay, but don't worry about it, but such kind of forums also available. Many of the IAS browsers, many of the IIT browsers, papers also retracted. If you are do any single manipulation, it will be captured. Any single manipulation. Because today image processing softwares are available, they just upload it. Is there any mistake or any modification is there, any abnormality is there, they can easily identify. Okay, so you must be very careful when you are doing research in your area. If you do small manipulation, they can identify and it may lead to retraction of your paper. You know, some people are actually in this forum, some people are paid and working for this forum. For me also they attacked me, they took all my paper and they reverse engineering all my paper. On 3 days they completely spent for my paper. They download entire my paper and they read every line and check every line, they check all the images. I also did some mistakes, small mistake, they identify it and notify it to me. Sometimes they threaten me, but I don't worry about them. Okay, because I'm having a maximum places, I'm having well documents, supporting documents with me, so I can escape from them. I also did some extrajudicial work on some paper, they identify it, but that time what I did is, I just directly sent to the editor, sir, this is a mistake, unawarely happened, I am ready to publish in the corundum. You know what is corundum? What is corundum? Actually, if any paper is published, later you come to know that you need to do some correction on that paper. If you need to do some modification on that paper, okay, which is called as the corundum. You can publish the corundum also. You must know about that one. If something come to you, you need not panic. Need not panic. You have to act smartly. Okay, I will show you how I am sending the corundum and all. Okay, actually you have to just write to the editor, I want to publish the corundum. Then they will accept it, they will publish, but your original paper as well as your corundum will come. Both is having the different DOI also. Corundum is better than the retraction. That's what I am telling you. Whenever you are following any number of people, it must be 4 or 5 people. For namesake, I have followed somebody yesterday. That's why today I got more than 20 mails. I cannot do research on everybody. Okay, you must choose at least 5 to 6 people. You just follow them only. That's enough. Fine. Sir, respected editor, I am Dr. Sendamarakan, the corresponding author of the so and so paper. I am writing to formal request a corundum to our published article. During the recent review, we identified an invented error in figure 12, where an incorrect image was mistakenly included during the revision of the paper. So, if later you identify that there are some mistake in your paper, there are the blunder mistake, it will lead to the problem. Don't hesitate. Please send a mail to the editor to publish the corundum. Okay. Surely they will review your problem. If it is natural, if it is right, they will accept it and they will publish. Okay. But if you find that is the problem, otherwise no need to publish. Sir, if you are go back with your paper, every paper is having some problem. Okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, if you find that, okay, still it make the problem, then you can go with the publishing corundum. Okay, corundum means I have published one article already, but I need to do some correction on that paper. So you cannot erase it and you cannot modify it. Okay, still the paper is there only, but what is your modification you can send for them. Okay, that is called as the corundum. This also I think hope you want to learn. Okay, fine. Okay, actually one more tool also there. Already we discussed about the tool like Origin Bureau we discussed. I think Irfan you discussed. Okay, like that one more tool is there. Its name is Minitape. Minitape. Actually Minitape is the tool used for the statistical analysis. Statistical analysis. I can show you some statistical analysis and statistical output from the Minitape. Okay, demonstrate you some statistical analysis from the Minitape. Sir, Akshaya, as a researcher, if you are doing research, there are some software must be in your desktop. Like mainly, Origin Bureau, Irfan U, in this direction, Minitape is one of the option, Minitape. I am having somewhat older version only. Minitape is one of the wonderful software. It is exactly very useful for the people doing research on the statistics, mathematicians. For us also it can be useful. Okay, so actually in my case I am generally using this Minitape to the drawing the variable distribution analysis. That is the only part where I am working by using Minitape. I can show you for tensile testing. I am going to analyze the some values. So this is my tensile test result. Actually, sometimes we are not getting the exact result. So, in that cases, we have to go with some statistical analysis. Actually, if you are taking the 10 to 20 samples for the testing, and every samples we are giving the different results. Some result may be nearby your expected results. Okay, in that case, can go for the statistical analysis. Just go graph. I am just using this Minitape for the நான் ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன். நீங்க ஒரு sorry go. Actually here there are n number of options are there. Scatter plot you can draw. Okay, matrix plot, bubble plot, histogram, everything is there. Generally I use only for the probability analysis. So probability plots. Okay, I can easily do it here. Within a click you can do all the analysis and you can take the images also here. Okay, for statistical analysis Minitape is the wonderful software, but I don't know much about it, but I am having Minitape with me. Okay, if you are doing some optimization work, surely it will be a very good tool. Okay, crack version also available with me. If needed you can collect. Fine. Okay, sir, fine. Actually, after 11:15 also we are having a lot of matters to explain. So, yesterday we clearly explained about the Menli. Okay, if you are having any doubt on Menli, please practice it and let me know now. And if you are having any exact doubt on Menli, please let me know, I can clarify. Okay, you may take time to practice Menli once again, because Menli is a very important tool that will be help you much. Thank you. After 11 o'clock, we may go for the tea break. Yes. Actually, nowadays one problem is coming that actually Vijay wants to discuss with you. What happened, generally we are uploading on paper, and later we come to know that we missed some authors, or purposely we want to include the authors. It's happened, it's acceptable when the revision is coming, but it must be justified. Even it leads to the retraction of your paper. Actually, yesterday, last week I have seen on paper, it is retracted because they removed 3 authors from the original author list and they included 2 authors when the revision is coming. Okay, actually how they are feeling that actually somebody is doing the business, somebody is ready to pay the money, they are not paying it on time, they are taken their name and somebody is paying it, they are included their name. It is not acceptable nowadays. Okay, you must be very careful when we are uploading your paper. Even journals are asking you whether you are confirming all the co-authors are you are already listed or not. Okay, if they are giving you major revision and some other author is giving the substantial support for you for revising article, that case you can include, but you have to justify it. Actually, all journals, even Elsevier, Taylor & Francis, everybody is having a form called the author modification form. When you are uploading, they are given to you. There you can justify it. So and so the reason I will remove this author. Generally, the removing of author is not allowed, not appreciated, but addition may be considered with proper justification. Actually, what happened for my case, I upload one paper. I exactly mention all the author name. Okay, when ordered to the submission portal, I forgot to order one name. Actually, it is a duty of the journal to check whether that portal, authors in the portal and the manuscript is right. They also forget it. And then it's sent for the revision. After revision only I come to know that when I am submitting the revision, then I have seen that I missed one author. Then I order his name into the portal. They are not accepting it. They send me the mail. I made a war with them. More than 10 times I committed to the journal. Sir, this is the reason I ordered them. I just sent their detailed explanation, detailed letter, and I write the reason to the that form also, everything. After that only, then only I just send a mail to editor-in-chief directly. He also not ready to hear my words. Okay, the better way, don't do any modification on your author list. If you are uploading on paper, it is rejected, you are going to upload to another journal, no worry, that time you can do it. But during revision, don't try to modifying any author name. Okay, that is very much essential. And one more problem also there, when you are uploading papers today, nowadays, they are asked you to publish preprint or not. Have you faced that problem? Sometimes we are giving it, yes, I am agreed to publish the preprint. Before publishing your article, it will come to the public forum. then you cannot do any modification, any manipulation, even you cannot remove any author and you cannot add any author. Okay, so we are adding some authors based on demand and your support system and all everything. Lot of factors are there. So better not to opt that option. You must be very careful. I am not interested to publish the preprint. Okay, if you are having any doubt, you ask with the seniors. Generally, I know that there is a big problem is this teaching community. We are not ready to ask with our colleague. Why I want to ask with my friend? Why I want to ask with my junior? Why I want to ask with your senior? I know that this is the community with higher jealous compared with all other community. I know that. Okay, once you are throw away and you are going to act as a team, it will be very easy. Today I am publishing 20 articles. Actually this year itself, still I have published 17 articles. I can tell you, I write only 3 to 4 articles. They are the team. I am supporting them for the review. I am supporting them for the corrections. That also, journal itself approving to publish, giving the authorship. When you are uploading the article, they are asking that what is the contribution of the author. Whether he is supporting for the designing the paper, whether he is supporting for the review the article, whether he is supporting you for the correction also, you can give the authorship. In that way, I have got the authorship. I support the people, that's why they approach me, so that I can publish the article. Okay, your friendly relationship only will support you. Your jealous will not support you. Thank you, sir. Practice on the Mendeling. If you have any doubt, please let me know or note it down and let me know. I can explain you. Plagiarism checking. Am I right? Plagiarism checking. Am I right, sir? Okay. Already we discussed that the plagiarism must be below 15% and single source plagiarism must be below 5% or 4%. That will be better. Okay, fine. Actually, you know that reducing plagiarism from 50 to 30 or 30 to 20 it's easy. But when you are trying to reduce some plagiarism from 20 to 15 or 15 to 10, it's quite difficult. Am I right? Am I right or not? Okay. So you have to work a lot on that one. Actually, unfortunately, we also believe that what is plagiarism, where to where usage is the plagiarism. If you publish the same article by changing entire article by Quillbot and publish into another journal, that's not maybe called as plagiarism. Am I right? Actually, plagiarism is copying or taking other person's idea or other person's work. That is called as plagiarism, and unfortunately, we don't have any tool to find out that. We have the only tool to identify where to where usage. Am I right? Okay, fine. So, we also take some help from the AI for reducing plagiarism. That time you must be very careful. That kind of AI tool is the Quillbot. You can use Quillbot for reducing plagiarism. No worry, but you must be very careful when you are using Quillbot. You must use Quillbot in needed place only. Okay, that's why I tell you that even I can open my Tantin account and I can show you how this AI detection is happen, and even Tantin is allow you to use the AI up to 20%. They are having threshold limit up to 20%. So up to 20% of the AI usage is allowed, even it is not detected by the TAN10. If your AI uses going more than 20%, then only it will be detected by TAN10. Understand? So, sir, my recommendation, don't use any tool for writing the article. You can use ChatGPT for idea generation. You can use ChatGPT for developing the subtitles. If you are having the problem on the infer of your results, you can go with the ChatGPT and get the infers. No worry. But you have to read the infer and you must be right in your words. That is the problem. Today everybody is copying it and paste it. You will be encountered. You will be catched by the TAN10. Sir, today, even I already told you, my students are using humanizer. I am very strongly telling them you should not use it. But however they are using it, I know. Sir, today TAN10 may not have the mechanism to find out the humanizer. But their business to find out that one. Every day they are improving it. Before 2 years they don't have that tool to find out the AI percentage. But today they come with the AI percentage detector. Tomorrow they will find out the humanizer also. Even they will detect which humanizer you are used. That time they will retract your paper. This may be the possibility is there. So what I am saying, you can use ChatGPT for lot of purposes there. I am generally not writing cover letter in my hand. I am just put it into the ChatGPT, ask for the cover letter, it will give into the cover letter. Sometime I need the highlights of the paper, just send it to the ChatGPT, ask for the letter, it will give. For come here, I got the mail from Saravanan sir, copy, paste it, please write the permission letter for me to come here to my vice chancellor, it write it, I get it within a second. For that purpose, you can use the ChatGPT. For ChatGPT is a wonderful tool. Even I can show my personal ChatGPT, what are the purpose I use my ChatGPT. But you should not use ChatGPT for the paper writing. You can use it for the content generation. You can use it for the clarification. Even you can use it for the producing some info about your findings. It is well and good. Even you can use it for the language correction also. But better to avoid using any AI tool for the writing the article. But you can get the support from the AI tools. Like Mendeley you can use, like Grammarly you can use, like ChatGPT you can use, like Quillbot you can use. That's what I am telling. Actually, Saran sir, initial day itself, he told me that, sir, you please concentrate more on the AI tool, sir. I tell him, sir, I am opposed for that point. If I ask all the people to use AI, then that will be the problem for the institute. Okay. So better to avoid using AI for the writing the article, but we have to take the support from the AI. Fine. Now I will open one of my paper and I will open the pluralism report for my paper. Then I will open my Quillbot. How we can use the Quillbot and where can you use the Quillbot and where you should not use the Quillbot. That's I am going to explain you. Actually, this is my PhD paper, second paper. Sir, actually, that's what I tell you every time. I am having complete data collection. Whatever the paper I am publishing, all the papers, data is with me. This is my PhD second paper. I am having it. All the testing results are there. Here, final images. All the images are there. All the tables are there. Even I am having all the versions also. Submission, after English check, after modify to another journal, after modify to review, revision one, reviewer comments, everything I am having. Okay, like that you have to maintain the proper documentation. Okay, if needed, you can spend some amount for the getting some cloud. I am completely synchronizing my entire computer with the iCloud. Needed. Because if you lose the data, it will be the problem. Fine. Now, this is my pluralism report. Already I told you that reducing pluralism from 16%, it's a 60% actually. I am reducing it from this 16% to 6% because that time I need a Arja paper. I am not ready to give the even single option to reject my paper. That's why I worked a lot and reduced the pluralism from 16 to 8%, but no need, below 15 is acceptable. Later only I come to know that. So you understand that it's quite difficult to reducing pluralism from 16 to 8 when you are doing it in manually. Am I right? Right or not? Fine. Now I want to reduce it. So, Quillbot is the wonderful tool. It can be used to reduce the pluralism of our paper. But generally, what is the mistakes people are doing? You are just opening the some paper like this and ask Quillbot to change. Quillbot, huh? Okay. So actually, this is also my friend login only. That's what I am telling you. I am frankly telling you, if you are having good friends, 3 to 4% can use. Okay. If you are friendly, if you are do the teamwork, research will be very easy. Okay. Sir, generally what people doing, copy, paste, paraphrase it. They will copy entire abstract, paste it and paraphrase it, they will use it. This is the way you are doing it, am I right? Right or not? But you should not do it. How you want to do it? First you write your paper in your own way. After you have to use the Grammarly for grammar check. Then you have to go for the Turnitin. After you are taking the handwritten report, it may shows you 20% or 15% or 30%. No worry. After taking the handwritten report, wherever the place there is a pluralism is identified, wherever the place there is a pluralism identified, you have to copy that sentence itself. You have to copy the particular sentence itself. No need to copy entire abstract. No need to copy entire paragraph. Where is a sentence? There is a pluralism is identified. You just copy that sentence and paraphrase it. Understand what I am saying? So if you want to change the particular sentence, there is a pluralism is identified in this particular sentence. Just copy this particular sentence, then paste it here and paraphrase it. Now it's ready. You just copy and paste particular sentence alone. That's why I tell you that if we are working like this, it is not existing more than 20% of AI. Understand what I am saying? Okay, I will open my Talentin account. I can show you. Talentin itself tell that up to 20% of the AI is acceptable. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so what you want to do? You have to take the Talentin report, and wherever the portion the pluralism is detected, wherever that sentence pluralism is detected, you have to copy that particular sentence and you have to paraphrase it. That's enough. You should not copy entire paragraph and paraphrase it. If you are do it like that, it is going to increase your AI paraphrase text percentage. Nowadays AI is detecting, Talentin is detecting not only AI, it is paraphrase text also. Okay, I will show you my Talentin profile so that you can easily understand that. Okay, before that, in my experience, you are all using different category of the paraphraser. Maybe you can select the standard, fluency, humanize, formal, academic. Actually, very recently they created humanize also. Previously, there is no such kind of option in Quillbot. And you can use the synonyms level 1, 2, 3. But in my experience, better to use formal with synonyms level 2. When you are increasing the synonyms level 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, it is going to change the entire meaning of the sentence. So what is the optimum level? I was chosen based on my experience. Formal option with synonyms level 2 will give you the better option, better paraphrasing. Understand what I am saying? So while you are using Quillbot, yes, you can use the Quillbot, but I am recommending this one based on my experience. It may be wrong. I don't know. Okay, but standard, this formal with this synonyms level 2. Okay, understand what I am saying? I want to demonstrate it. I will demonstrate you. Sir, actually, Quillbot itself, there are different options there. You can, whether you can select standard, you can select fluency, you can select humanize, you can select formal, you can select academic, simple, creative, expand, short and custom, anything you can select. There are 9 options, I think 10 options is there. And every time you can change the synonyms level 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. Okay. The problem is whenever you are changing the synonyms level from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, there is a possibility of change of the synonyms, that is meaning of the sentence. So better you should not change the synonyms level up to 3, better you can use the synonyms level 2. And based on my experience, I can recommend you that this formal with synonyms level 2 may give you the optimum result. Sometimes you cannot get such kind of wonderful result, you can go with the other option, no worry. Okay, fine. So this is the way to reduce in the pluralism by using Quillbot. You should not use copy and paste entire paragraph and paraphrase it. It will be detected by the AI. Okay, we will check. Here itself AI detector is there. We will check here, paste, detect AI. Oh. Okay. This is maybe the work of my friends and all. This is my AI, this turned in login. Here you can find the AI detection. What it's showing, you just see here. AI detection score below the 20% threshold are not surfaced in the report because they have the higher likelihood of false positive, which means AI is given the up to 20% of the threshold limit. So you can use the complete AI up to 20% for your paper. Turned in will not disturb you. If your AI usage is exceeding 20%, it will be detected. Okay, so up to 20% is allowed, but when it can be possible, you must write your entire article in your own words, taking the plagiarism report, and you are reducing it wherever the place needed by using Quillbot. Surely it will not exceed more than 20%. Am I right, sir? Fine. And actually, even we can go for this some AI report also. Okay. One of my friend, he given one paper for the submission. His plagiarism percentage is only 7%. You can see here, AI is 30%. I don't know why it's not working properly. Yeah. Sir, you can see here, now AI detector is given the report like this. This is the AI generated text. Another one is the AI generated text that was paraphrased. AI paraphrased. My friend, what he did is, he just asked the ChatGPT, please write the introduction, copy and paste and given to me. If you are doing like this, surely you will be detected by the AI detector. That's what I am telling you. You should not do it. Okay. So it's very simple to write introduction. If you are no variable about the concept, no worry. Generally, actually, my supervisor tell me that your paper should be like the inverted triangle. This is what my supervisor teach me. Your paper should be inverted triangle and every portion should be inverted triangle. Like, sir, I am working on the area of the plant fiber reinforced composites. How I am starting my paper? I am just tell that today world is going towards sustainable materials. There are new law and regulations are developed by the UN is encouraging the scientists to use the biodegradable materials. Unfortunately, today automobile industries are using more non-biodegradable materials. So better to go with the sustainable materials. So these are the multiple alternatives are available in this world for the sustainable materials. So plant fiber reinforced composites are the one of the alternate material for the synthetic fiber reinforced composites. Okay, so we are classifying the natural fiber into two categories. One is plant fiber, another one is the animal fiber. Once again, we are classifying the plant fiber in the by place of extraction or portion of the part of the plant which is yielding, maybe the seed fiber or past fiber. Like that, we can easily classify it. Like that, you can speak. And finally, at the end of your introduction, you tell that so and so fiber I have chosen for my work. There is no work is available on this particular work. That's why the reason I choose this fiber, and I am going to characterize this fiber by using different characterization like techniques like XRD, FDR, DG, NMR, SEM, like that. How I started, I am generally speak about the introduction, then I am converging it. Then I finish it like a inverted triangle. Like that only you have to design your research. So you have to design your materials and materials like that, and you have to write your result and discussion like that. So every portion must be the inverted triangle. It's very easy to write. Your mind is a very good AI parabracer, your mind is a very good chat GPT. It can be used to generate the very good ideas. Unfortunately, we are not ready to use our mind. Okay, so you can take the support from the AI, but you should not believe only on the AI. That is what I am once again insisting you. Okay, so you can use the quill part for reducing the plagiarism. Not copy entire paper and paraphrase it and publish it. One day somebody will encounter you. Understand, sir? Fine. So AI paraphrased text also nowadays will be detected. So you must be reduce the AI usage within 20% limit. Sir, better you must give the Grammarly account, you must give the Quillbot account, you must give the Tantin account also. In that case, no worry. Actually, I was in Kamaraj Engineering College and Technology for 8 years. I have published more than 50 papers. Even that time I don't know how the Tantin login is there. After I joined Alliance University only I got this login. Last 6 months only I am using it. But I know the nook and corner of everything. What is depository, what is no depository, when you are saving any article inside the depository, what will be happen, everything I know. So any tool come to your hand, you must be master on that tool. If it is Quillbot with you, you must be master in Quillbot, where you want to use, where you should not be used. If you are having Grammarly, you must know about that. What is the limitation of Grammarly also you must know. Okay, but my better idea, always human is the human, machine is the machine. My better idea, if you are writing article for your thesis, don't go with the Grammarly. Find the right English professor in your college or in your department or in your area. Otherwise, you can contact me. I can give you one person who is working at Elsevier. But he is charging appropriately. Maybe per paper he is charging up to 4K. I am giving it. Yesterday, one of my papers published with the 7 impact factor. It is my thesis work also. But when it went for the review, they are asking for English correction. I given it 4K. I given it last week. Because I am getting 7.1 impact factor, you know. So I want to spend it. So human is the human, machine is the machine. Better to contact with the English professor. Unfortunately, problem is today English professor asking you there, please bring the printout. Then they will take 2 months, 3 months, and then they will sleep, or they may forget your paper and they may throw it. That is a problem. So better don't ask them friendly. They also the browsers, they also need the money. So you must be create mindset to pay them. Surely they will give you the report on time. Okay. So better to find out a person professionally doing the English correction. That will be the better idea. Okay. When you are uploading your paper, if you are uploading your paper with English correction certificate, surely that will be considered. Otherwise, today every Wiley, Dale & Francis, everybody running English correction services, but that is quite costly. They are asking 40,000, 50,000. So better you can pay with your college browsers 5,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. They will give you the wonderful result. If you don't have the contact, please let me know. I will give you the contact. Okay. I am frequently touch with your browser more than 10 years. Okay. For my paper, he is giving me the 20-30% concession. Okay. The friendliness you have to maintain. Consistency you have to maintain. Fine. So the procedure already I told you that. Draw all the diagram, make the tables, write in your own way. Remove the English problem in your paper, maybe using the English browser or by using the Grammarly. Then you upload your paper to the Turnitin, take the Turnitin report. Then you correct the plagiarism in your paper by using Quillbot. Then you have to go for the reference. This time you must be very careful in which journal you are going to upload. You have to cite at least 10 papers from the same journal. If it is rejected, you have to erase everything. Once again you have to cite. That's why the reason you have to use them mentally. Am I right? Fine. After finishing everything, you have to check, is there any other compound need to be added as per the part of the requirement of the journal. Okay. So nowadays what journals are asking you? Nowadays journals are asking you to give some declarations. What is the contribution of the authors? What is the ethical approval, whether ethical approval is getting or not, whether funding is getting from the other sources or not. This is the declaration you want to include it. If you are not include this declaration, no worry, they will send back to you after 10, 15, 30 days. So it will be the time delay, unwanted time delay. Okay. So you must have a checklist. What are the declarations that need to be ordered? That also you need to order. Okay, sir? Fine. And apart from that, it is better to mention your RCT ID also. And you must make sure that always your Scopus login is updated and you are having only one Scopus ID. That also very much needed. If your paper is already allotted to the different Scopus ID, no worry, you may send the request to the Scopus, they will merge your profile. And you must be very, very careful that you must have the only one Scopus ID. That also you have to check. I think, hope you all know about the RCT ID, am I right? RCT. Fine. Like that we can go. Yes, ma'am. Yes. And actually, madam is asked me yesterday that how can we find that, sir, whether paper in SEI or not, web of science or not? Yeah, that also I can tell you, ma'am. Sometime the journal may be removed from the web of science or holding in web of science. Okay, in that case, what you want to go? You have to go to the Clarivate website. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that will show here itself, ma'am. I can show you results in engineering. Okay, this is a journal. Actually, here you can check whether your paper in the SEI or not. Okay, generally Clarivate is used to SEI or not. Still, people are having some confusion that difference between the SEI, SEIE and ESEI. Okay. Actually, what is the difference between the SEI and SEIE? Nothing but both are same. You can consider both SEI and SEIE is same. Actually, what is the meaning for Science Citation Index or Science Citation Index expanded? Which means SCI means that Web of Science, the clarified analysis storing our article in a hard copy for reference purpose. SCIE mean they are storing our article only as a soft copy. So we don't bother about it. But unfortunately, one more time will come, that is ESCI, which means Emerging Source Citation Index. Okay, it is not SCI. You must be very careful. Science Citation Index is the SCI. SCI means Science Citation Index expanded, but Emerging Source Citation Index is not SCI. Okay, so somebody tell you that it is SCI, mean you must be very careful here. Okay. And actually, is there any update in this SCI list, ma'am? Actually, what happened? One of my paper, this journal, sometime it was in holding. Is there any update on this site, SCI Science Citation Index expanded? Is there any holding? Is there any removal? They are mentioning here, ma'am. Mentioning here. That only we can identify.
Earlier it is published, at that time it is in the ESA. Now it is removed.
No, actually, that is we can only get by your Web of Science profile. Like, actually, for identify the Web of Science profile, we have to get the access for the Web of Science. Okay, here actually since I am having the Web of Science access for my profile, I can identify. Like you can see here.
I'll tell you one title, Indian Journal of Natural Sciences.
One second, madam. One second. This is my Web of Science profile. I think you can also create the profile in Web of Science. Okay, for your own profile you can freely view. Here you can see here, madam. These are the papers getting indexed in the Web of Science. This paper is not yet getting indexed. Otherwise, authorship is not verified. I want to verify this one. Okay. So if it is indexed here, you can see here. If it is indexed, this is coming under the indexed paper. It is not indexed, it is not in the Web of Science core collection, then it will not come here. Papers published in the Web of Science only come to your Web of Science profile. Paper indexed in the Scopus only your Scopus profile. So you can't confirm it, you must have the Web of Science login. So institution need to purchase it. After purchasing this only you can identify that. Whether journal in the list of Web of Science or not, no problem. When paper is published in the Web of Science, when it is published, when it is indexed here, you can accept it. Maybe it may be removed, the journal may be removed after publishing, no worry for us. It must be indexed here. Like that Scopus also, paper indexed, abstract is coming to the profile, we can accept for the thesis submission. After maybe that Scopus may be removed that journal, no worry. We must have the abstract. But the same problem will come, you find that your journal name in the Scopus database. I can try to explain you, but yesterday it was not working. Today we may try. No. Okay, not working. Not working. Ma'am, actually you are telling the journal name, ma'am. I cannot search my journal name because I am using the free version. Okay, we want to search by but I can search by the article. Then I can search by the person's name also. By the search, I can search the document by the name of the person also. I can search. If I am carrying the paid version, then I can search by the journal name details also. I am using the free version, I am having some restriction for the searching that one. Okay, so better actually ma'am, apart from me, better to connect with the people from library, Central University Library or NIT Library, they are the master in this one. It is their duty to check whether it is SCI or not, everything it may be from the library. So people from library, you just check with them. Surely they are having some idea about it. Here actually here itself, we are having a lot of opportunities there. I think my paper is having the different profile also. So actually another one paper, for me also there are one or two different profiles created. I want to merge it. We want to review it properly. Then only we can do it. Okay, fine. Okay, one more tool, Scopus AI. Actually, the Scopus itself, okay. Documents. Actually, Scopus also having one AI tool to develop the content. Actually, I cannot find it exactly here. I don't know why. Okay, I will check and let you know. Okay. So apart from this, okay, I am going to tell for filter, cape filter for some other tools also. Maybe a tool, maybe you may know about the Gamma AI. How many of you know about it, Gamma AI? Okay. Gamma AI may be used to manage our class. Okay, now you should not depend upon the Gamma AI, but maybe used to manage our class. Okay. Whenever you are having class on morning, maybe you may not have the class on morning. When you come to the college, your friend asks you to engage today class. Maybe you are get the information at 10 o'clock, but it is already 9:45. That time you want to go with some content for the students, then only you can engage with them. Okay, in that case, what can you do? You can create some PPD, wonderful PPD by Gamma AI. Here, whatever the topic you need the PPT, don't worry, you just type it. Maybe the topic may be image processing. So it's giving you the outline. Okay, fine. Now you want to generate, okay, it's fine. Image processing, shaping our digital world, fundamentals of digital images, image enhancement, image restoration, features. If you want to correct also, you can correct, then generate. Actually, up to 9 slides free, completely free. Any topic you can do it. Now it's preparing the PPT. It's prepared the PPT with wonderful images also. Yes, sir. Now PPT is ready, and even you can download this PPT as a PowerPoint, export to the PowerPoint. Sir, it can be used only for the urgency, okay? It's not recommended to use everywhere. So actually it's taking some time for the downloading and all, but by using Gamma AA, you can create the wonderful PPT. Even you can, after preparing PPT, you can do any modification also, because you can download this as a PPT itself, the same format. This is the PPT, it's ready. Sorry, it's making time, some time. Not working, struggled. System is hanged. Sir, apart from that, I can show you how can we use ChatGPT and how can you use the ChatGPT for the producing PPTs. Today we can easily prepare the very good PPTs with the help of ChatGPT. That also I am going to tell you, but I don't know why it's not working properly. Fine. Fine. So it's ready. After opening it, we can see this Gamma AI PPT. But I think, I hope you understand that it's going to give you the wonderful PPT. People from computer science may verify it and let me know. Is it okay, sir? Okay. Fine. Now I am going to open my ChatGPT. And what are the questions I discuss with my ChatGPT? And wherever the place I used it, you can see. So actually, ChatGPT is working based on your input only. You can create everything, any content by using ChatGPT. Now I am going to create one LinkedIn post by using my ChatGPT. Okay. I am going to create a LinkedIn post by using ChatGPT. Yesterday I came to the Alliance, it is Aditya University. Okay, so I want to post into my LinkedIn and I want to promote our Alliance University also. Okay, so we can try today. Actually, this is all my charts about my LinkedIn. I did a lot of charts, you can see here. This one. This is the post I have created here. I asked this ChatGPT, I have seen one post in LinkedIn. I have seen one post in LinkedIn. I just copy entire post. Okay, and ask what I am asking it, create LinkedIn post. Then it's created it. Then prepare reply. Okay, sorry. The same content is coming. Somebody has asked me that I need my profile. Already I given the input to the ChatGPT, who am I? It know very well about me. Then ask, what I am asking, just ask, write about Dr. B. Sindhamarikan's research profile in 8 lines. It give me like this, with citation also. It's taking the information from my Alliance University website, everything it shows. It has the citation from ResearchGate also. Then I asked it to write like this. I have given, one of my friend is having this such kind of profile, like I have given, then it's write like that. And it missed that I am in the top 2% scientist list, then I ask it to include that I am in the top 2% scientist list, then it is included. Okay, then I asked the ChatGPT to mention all. Dr. Sindhamarikan serves as an editorial board member of the Journal of Natural Fiber, International Journal of Polymer Science and Discover Polymer, then it's included. So actually, it's generating something, we have to read it and we have to refine it. What are key informations we want to include inside the document, we have to include. Okay, which means you have to talk with the ChatGPT, your ChatGPT. You have to chat with your ChatGPT. And actually, better to use the premium version. If you are buying any premium version from the different sources, third-party sources, no worry, you can purchase. No worry, I am also purchasing like that. But unique ID you have to purchase, and you must be only person use it, because you have to train it properly. Otherwise, better to go with your ChatGPT. Okay. Now here I am going to submit one paper. So what I am doing it, I am just upload the manuscript. You just see here. I am just upload the manuscript. Just upload the manuscript. Write cover letter to submit this paper to the International Journal of Biological Macromolecule, submitted by so and so Sindhamarikan. Actually, why I am exactly using this? Actually, in my chart itself, I am generally, if I am submitting any paper to International Journal of Biology Macromolecule, I am submitting to the same chat. Because for that particular journal, I need to mention something extra that I was trained to my ChatGPT. So you have to use the proper places. Okay. Here you can see here, Dear professor, nice to talk with you after a long time. I am Dr. Surampalem, currently working as assistant professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Alliance University. I need your permission to refer your name as a review for thesis of my research circle. Hope you remember me, professor. Just ask it to correct it. I have given my version. Any other version, whatever you know, whatever the English you know, whatever the Butler English you know, no worry. Type it, ask ChatGPT to correct it, it will correct and give you the better version. Okay, so when ChatGPT will give you the wonderful answers when you are talking with the ChatGPT. You have to again and again talk with the ChatGPT. Whenever you are getting the result, you have to refine it through your knowledge. Okay, even I can show you here what I did is on duty permission. I think I maybe get it for Aditya University, I think. Okay, I got one mail from your Dean Research, I think. Yeah, this is the mail I received. I just received this mail from the Dean Research, this institute. Then I just copy and paste it. I ask, based on this, prepare a on-duty permission letter with you prepare already. Then it's prepared it. Alliance University, register, everything is prepared. Okay, then what I did is, I asked it to include from Surampalem through head of the department to direct research. Then it's included through head of the department through direct research. Then enclosure, I ask it to include the enclosure. Invitation mail from the Aditya University, then it's prepared like this. And actually, I need extra on duty day. Actually, it's not mentioned properly in the email ID. Then I asked the ChatGPT to include the on duty needed for the 19, 20, 21. Then it's included. Now, I just copy and paste it and get a permission from our Vice Chancellor. This is the letter I have prepared. June, Aditya University. This is the letter I got the approval from our VC. I have prepared this one by using ChatGPT only. Okay. Okay, fine. Fine, sir. Actually, I can include something also. As we are the faculty members, and we are working on the different directions. Generally, we don't know where we are weak and where we are having good marks. That kind of analysis we are generally not doing it. Am I right? So I can tell you on login. Maybe that will be useful for your getting government job also. That is secondary. But I am maintaining on login. That is usually recruitment portal. I am properly updating it. If you are maintaining such kind of login, it will be support you to evaluate yourself where you are having the positive marks and where in what area you have to improve. Such kind of evaluations you can easily do it. Okay, so I will open my profile and I can show you how I am maintaining it. Anytime I am getting any publication, I will add all the proof to that particular login. Here I am bring my laptop alone. Without bringing my laptop also, I am having my complete biodata with all the proof. So this is one of the wonderful login. By using that login, you can check whether you are qualified or not, in which area you need to improve, in whether you are going for the frequently go for the resource person, whether you are having any publication, whether you have the patent or not, in what area you want to improve, that you can be analyzed through by maintaining a profile. By that profile will be very useful for you to apply for the Central University job also. Okay. Whether you are applying or not, but if you are maintaining that portal, you easily understand that what is your strength and what is your negative. Okay, here you can see here my personal details, my academic qualifications, then my full-time teaching experience, even I am having all the experience certificate also with me. If I click this one, you can see my experience certificates also. I am uploading everything here. UCG recruitment portal. Actually, by using, what happened? Yeah, one nation, like one portal, like that, government has integrated all the central university recruitment process into a single portal. Okay, whenever application is coming for the central university throughout India, within a click you can apply. Okay, that's why they integrated. By using this portal, you can evaluate yourself. That's I can tell you. Okay, here you can see here. I think he's 16/6/2025 only my parent is granted. That day only it is generated. I updated it. 16/6 it is granted. I updated it. Okay. I don't know why it hanged. Okay, so this is the one of the portal. Here you can clearly update your details, your publication, your personal details, your all the education qualification, your date of birth certificate, even your caste certificate for the reservation purpose and all. Everything you can update it. All your publication details, our book chapter publication, patent, and actually even I updated all my this resource person doc also. What I am doing today, I leave from the college. When I leave from here, along with honorarium, I will get the appreciation certificate. Otherwise, I will not be leave from here. After getting the appreciation certificate, madam, for you only this information. Along with honorarium, you must be give me my letter, appreciation letter. Okay, otherwise I will not go from here. And what I am doing, from leaving this institution, I scanned it in my mobile. Okay, and I will be preserve it in my personal file. However, I will upload here. That is my duty, first duty. I automate myself like that. Whenever I am downloading any paper, I put into the mentally. Okay, whenever a paper is coming for me, I upload here. Whenever a patent is granted for me, I upload here. Whenever I am going as a resource person, I upload here. Whenever I completed any review process, I send the mail to review@webofscience.com. Sir, this is the practice you have to practice. If you are doing it consistently, the process is very, very, very easy. What happened actually, I agreed for this class before 1 month. Unfortunately or fortunately, I am having a very important work on next Friday. I need to prepare all this document into a single file. What I do, I just send my user ID password to my postdoc scholar. So this is what my requirement, prepare this as a single document. He downloaded everything and prepare a single document. Yesterday itself he sent to me. If it is not arranged in such a way, it's quite difficult for us. Okay, so better to maintain this login. It's a very wonderful login. Here you have to maintain some consistency. That is very much essential. I want to show you that also. It's closed, okay na? Muduri? Okay, I will show you once again. Sir, UCG recruitment portal, or summon portal, can go and you can go to create the account on this one. You can see here all my publication details, and you can see all my patents here. This is the book chapters. Then all my patents I have uploaded. So far I have 2 granted patents and 2 in process. And actually you can see here all my talk as a resource person. So far I have given the around 27 talks like this. The same topic, same area. I have given around 27 talks. Okay, everything I have documented. Recently I have given one talk in online for the MIT World Peace University. Okay, Manonu Sundana University. Here you can see here. This is my talk at the University Technology Malaysia. The same talk I have given to the University Technology Malaysia. The same talk I have given at the National Institute of Technology Manipur, Rama Institute of Technology, then Manipal University College at Malaysia. Okay, so I am maintaining all my talks properly. I think, hope I will add Aditya University today itself. And actually then it's ask you about the some other informations and ask you about the references and all or NOC and all. You can update and you can do it. But by using this one, you can understand that where you are and what are the area you want to concentrate. Now I am having full mark for the research. The part where I missed my mark, that is a funded project. I know that. That is the negative point of my profile. Now I am working on that in that area also. Sir, sometimes you cannot do it because I am extremely come to this point. Okay, you understand that I entirely dedicated my 10-year life for the research only. Now if somebody is asking me to teach UG students, surely I will do it, but I cannot do it like you. That's why the reason I choose my career maybe in the research. I focusing towards my profile towards the become the direct research of any university, any institute. Like that I am thinking. Okay, what do you know? You have to compounding it. Every day you have to compound it, then it will be the very good one. The compounding of your knowledge in a particular area, it will be very, very good. Okay, so far I deliver whatever I know without any hesitation. I am not, I think, hope I am not hiding anything. Okay, I know that and I can confidently tell that this kind of information no one will not reveal you frankly. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Any questions from your end? If anyone is having any question, you can ask.
If you have any question, please let me know. If you ask question, then only I understand that you are understanding and hearing my program. If you are not ask me the question, then you are not understanding. Otherwise, I am not tell you up to your understanding.
Regarding it's not about what you said, but some other type of questions. How much time you have taken for publishing one paper to, first from your initial paper to one?
From submission to the publication. From submission to the publication, you are asking. How much time?
Sir, it's actually, if you are correct, exactly working, it is not more than 3 months, sir. Not more than 3 months. Now, what I am saying, from the data we are start to testing your material and all, From testing to publication 6 months. When I start to write to publication, it's only 3 months. Actually, the thing is, that is what I am telling you. First, you fix what is the journal you are going to upload. You must be very clear. Generally, what we are doing, we are writing on paper, then we are searching for the journal. That is the mistake we are doing. First, you fix that. Where you want to become. Sir, I want to become a vice chancellor. That is my aim. Okay. Sometime I can think that I want to become a education minister. You may fix that you want to become a Prime Minister of India. It's possible. A team man nowadays is ruling our India. Okay, it's possible. So accordingly only you can fix. Okay, so you must know that what is your target. Sir, actually why I come here, apart from getting the monetary benefit and all, I traveled 18 hours to reach here. Okay, once again 18 hours I want to travel. Only reason I want to increase my collaboration and my network. Fine. So you first target it. This is the journal I want to publish. Fix the journal. Generally more than 60 or 70% of the time, my targeted journal is not rejecting my paper. It's happened for me also. Then I am having some alternate journals. If once again they rejected, it means there may be the problem in my paper writing. Okay, actually now I am expert in the paper uploading, apart from paper writing. In which journal I can upload and I can getting acceptance, I know that very well. But actually you have to grow from here only. First you have to write it, you have to master in all the tools. Because I am using all the tools, apart from writing, I never cite any article manually after 2019. And 2019, I learned manually. After learned manually, I never use manually to cite any article. Even my thesis also, I use manually. Sometimes there is a mistake in manually, you have to correct it. But you must be mastering it. Everybody knows manually. But I know that something better than you. Maybe there are some other masters also here. I don't know. But I know how easily teach manually to people. Because I teach this manually more than 25 times. Okay, so fix your targeted journal. That is the first step. Accordingly, you design your paper. You download the more number of paper from the same journal. Read that paper. Cite the more number of paper from the same journal. Then you write the cover letter for this journal specifically. So I can tell you one thing. When I am uploading article to the International Journal of Biological Macromolecule, they are asked that you must mention the one biological macromolecule in your title. That is the condition of that journal. I know that very well. When I am uploading any article to the Journal of Natural Fiber, they are asking that one anonymous document. That is means without author name and all, one anonymous document and one document with the author name, and they are asking the highlights separate file. They are not asking any cover letter. So this is the matter I know. How Journal of Natural Fiber is working, I know. Like that, you must know about your targeted journal. I don't know which is your targeted journal. Okay. So once you come to know this one, it will be easy. Fine. So anything? Light ma'am, sir. I'm just touch one or two AI tools. Actually what happened, after I'm getting the pressure from Saravanan sir, only I prepare one or two tools and search it and copy it and paste it. Okay, I'm really not interested to teach any AI tool for writing. It is completely not the right idea. Okay, litmap is also the used for the letter survey only, sir. Okay, no worry. You can check it. Okay, litmap and all, a number of AI tools are there. You can litmap also like the for the literature review. You can use it. Anything, sir? Okay, hope you all note my number. Okay, if you have any doubt, please message me. Okay, surely I will reply. Are you sir, you are having any doubt? Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am is having some
The 1 second, madam. Some my personal details are very open to everybody. I want to hide it.
Firstly, I would like to thank the management for conducting this workshop, and I would like to thank you so much, sir, for wonderful session. Vanakkam, sir. Tamil konjam theriyum. Still learning. So, what suggestion will you give to a postgraduate who want to enroll into PhD? And can you give some tips on how to finish PhD work within less time using ResearchGate only?
Ma'am, you are asking a very good question, but this question need to be addressed at the postgraduate students. Okay, actually, I'm very practical. I can tell you, your PhD duration will be fixed by your guide. The PhD duration, maybe the selection of the supervisor is the very crucial parameter. The relationship between your supervisor and you may be like a husband-wife relationship. You may be the male to male or male to female, that's not different, because I enjoyed a lot. I did my PhD more than 7 years, something I cannot disclose you in front of you all, but I can tell you that my registration was 3 times cancelled and fight against the university in High Court, and I got the re-registration into the university and I finished my PhD. Okay. It's very difficult, you may not understand that. Okay, I made a lot of fight with the university for some matters. Okay, so what I am saying, the selection of the right supervisor is the first point. So it is automatically reducing the time into 7 years to 3 years. That is the first thing. Okay, before choosing your supervisor, maybe I can give you some suggestion. You have to check with the persons who completed under your supervisor, whether he is support them or not. Sir, generally supervisors also don't have the time to support you. They are also the professors, they also do the NBA work, NAC work, at the 22 hours teaching load in private. Okay, my better suggestion, if you want to go and do the PhD in IIT, NIT, that scenario is different. If you go with a very good supervisor with a higher profile, even if they are supportive for the getting government job or any other places, you can go there. Otherwise, I will go and earn in degree only, better to register with the private university. All the university degree will be considered at the same level. In private university, what happened, we are making RACMET again and again. And the university may give you the stipend and all. And they will review your supervisor also. And they will push your supervisor to finish your PhD as soon as possible. If you are go with the government institutions, surely they will not have such kind of review system. So you will be suffered until 8 year, 9 year, 10 year you can do your PhD, your supervisor will enjoy with you. Okay, this is the first lesson I can tell you. And actually once you enroll your PhD, then you are giving your hand to your supervisor. So you don't worry about anything, certificate and all, that will be given by your supervisor. What is a mistake I face nowadays? We ask the student enroll PhD and ask to write the article. But we are not giving the induction program like this. Now only we are giving the induction program to the faculty. But we are not giving any induction program to students to the like this. So you call me again to me here, ma'am, for giving the opportunity to give the lecture to your PhD scholars. Okay. Well, separately call me, ma'am, give me the money, ma'am. And you don't want to call me again, huh? I want to have the good relationship with the Aditya University again and again. Okay. So I request you, please call me again. And I will give the talk here. Okay. Once you give your hand to your supervisor, then your supervisor will take care of everything. So selection of the supervisor is the crucial parameter when you are enrolling your PhD. That is the first thing. But I am appreciating if you are enrolling at the IIT, NIT with a good supervisor, with good mark, it's fine, well and good. If you are going with some state government university or other places, better to enroll with the private universities, it will be better.
Request the participants, any one of the participants come forward and give your feedback. Yeah, Arif sir is ready to give the feedback. A question? Right.
Basically, I want some suggestion. Sir, I need basically a suggestion from you. What was your strategy before getting into top 2% scientists? What was the strategy initially, and how you are maintaining the same tempo over the past 5 years or 10 years? Yes.
Okay. So actually you want to become a top 2% scientist. Sir, actually first you want to love your friends. That is a strategy to become a top 2% scientist. So I am frankly tell that actually what I am saying that is truth. Okay. Without my collaborators I am nothing. I am having very good relationship with all my collaborators. Whenever they are having any problem, they are called me. I am trying to support them in all the way. Okay. But even they are writing any article, they are given to me, they ask me to upload it. Okay. Without their support, I cannot become the top 2% scientist. Okay. So what I am saying, first you form a team. Accordingly you will work. Your team will support you in all the aspects. Okay. For problem statement or solution formation, that I am supporting them. Then they do all the work on writing article and given to me. I am reviewing it and uploading it. That's what I am telling you. Today I am expert in uploading the paper rather than writing the paper. Okay, the team is very much needed one. If you are having very good rapport with your team, not only you or entire team will be in the top 2% scientists. My team, my brother actually what happened. Today I am in Alliance University because of one of my collaborators. I am telling this is a story for you. Actually, I'm having some struggle in 2019. Actually, that time my PhD was cancelled because of some issue and all. That time I went to Rohini Engineering College, which is in Kanyakumari, for gave a talk. There I met one of my friend, Dr. Indran. He is the HOD of that particular institution. That time his age is only 35. 35 he became the HOD of that institution. I told him, Anna, in this age you should not be the head of the department. It is not the age to become the management. You are the good researcher. Why you are here working as a head of the department? Then he asked me that, where can I go? I am having very good research paper, but I don't know where can I go for my further studies. Then I recommended him to go for the Thailand as a postdoc fellow. Already one of my friends is in Thailand. Then he recruited him as a scientist there. Then he got his wife also got the postdoc position in the same institute. He went to the Thailand and settled for 3 years. Okay. After he got the baby, he came back to India and got the position in Alliance University. That time I was in some other institution and getting lower salary. Then he pushed my profile into the Vice Chancellor Alliance University and got the very good salary for me also. So actually we are the like twins. Even when I am trying to come here, that time Saravanan sir, I asked him, sir, we two will together come, sir. Please consider it. Like that I asked him. Then he tells that, no, first time you come. If we are getting impressed, we will call you both. Okay. So this is the way. You have to maintain your team, your teammate. Okay. Is there any problem arising, you sit together and speak. Actually, Indran is a short temper. He is fighting with each other. I don't know why he is never fighting with me. He is angry. I will not speak with him. Then he will come and speak with me. Okay. So maintaining your team, not only in research, not only your department, not only your college, maintaining your team is very, very, very important skill you want to learn. Okay. That is the only reason behind my top 2% scientist. That is nothing. Okay, if I am not working for next 1 year, my name will be in the top 2% scientist, I know. With even uploading without a paper, surely my name will come because of my network.
Yes, sir. Any feedback?
I am Dr. Kiranmai sir from School of Business. First of all, I'd like to thank you for giving insights into various tools and how to get publication, how to choose the journal to publish our article. To say frankly, while doing my PhD, I used to review articles from ResearchGate. But till yesterday, I don't know the importance of ResearchGate, that we have to create our account and how network building is to be done, how it is going to be useful. All these things I don't know till yesterday. And I have Google Scholar account. I could see my articles, 2 articles there. Yesterday evening, after going home, I worked on creating account in the ResearchGate, and all the things I have done. I have made a Chrome extension, and after that, again by visiting, I have visited my profile in Google Scholar. There, for one of my article, I have seen that Q2 and B. Earlier, it is not that I have observed. That is my first article, which I have published in 2012 around, madam. My first article. I don't know whether it is really the journal is Q21 or B category, but the thing I have learned. So many things likewise I have learned from this FDP. I thank Sarvanan sir and Sridevi madam for arranging such kind of FDPs. Thank you very much, sir.
So request any one of the participants come forward.
A very good afternoon to one and all. I am very much thankful to the Aditya University management team. Even though I had joined here and very recently, I reported here on June 2nd. It's a very good platform for me to get the knowledge on research, because I am pursuing PhD in Department of Commerce and Management Studies in Andhra University. But there I visited to my professor in 2 to 3 times in every year, because there is no support from the, it's not a criticism, but we are having the lack of the support from the professors, because they don't have the such time to spend with me. Whatever work I had finished, I have to submit, and I get corrections, and I will do all that. But here I have joined, I observed that there are so much support from the team of Aditya, less time. So all these are the opportunities I got by attending these 2-day FDP. Even I recently joined, I came to know that only 2 persons are allowed from the department. But I got the opportunity when I asked to my HOD ma'am, and with the support of the research coordinator, so I enrolled to FDP. It's a great platform for me to get more knowledge by attending to the FDP. Thanks to the management team, the management team of Aditya University, and thanks to my Santimar and Kannan sir. It's a great platform to get more knowledge from the FDP. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Dr. R.V. Krishna, and I am HOD of EC Department in Aditya College of Engineering and Technology. This 2 days, yesterday and today, it was very good getting some new points, to learn some new points from sir. And particularly, one thing is we didn't feel sleepy for at any moment because I think sir had some loudspeaker in his voice. He was shouting like anything. I think sir doesn't need a mic also. I was sitting in the front bench also. And another thing is, yesterday sir told to connect to him through WhatsApp. I think how, by that we came to know how much he is increasing his network. I don't know how many have sent a message to him. I sent him a message. I thought 100 members might have sent, out of 100, some 70 members might have sent to him. So he will not reply. I got a reply from him yesterday, sir, send your details. So with that patience, how he is checking and all, we have to learn. And having people, seen people with thousands of citations. I think many of us will have only in hundreds citations, but he is having some 2,000, how many sir? 7,000 citations, sir. Thank you very much for giving the insights. And I thought some HODs also may be coming. I think I didn't find any HODs because all are busy in BOS and all. But I thought I have to attend this and came. We are also having a BOS meeting on Tuesday. But in spite of that, I came because we completed PhD some 5 to 6 years back, but we have to guide students. So we have to learn the terminology and update ourselves. So it was very productive.
So not much time, because I don't want to take much time for the lunch. Actually, honestly telling, it's a feedback like a personal feeling only. I don't want to talk about him. But he made me to talk about him from yesterday onwards. Regarding the first key takeaways, what we are discussing in feedback session, what is the main key takeaway based on yesterday talk to till now. The main key takeaway is, you got us, we got you. That is the one collaboration, one connection. That is the main key takeaways and main 10 years experience, so his experience, my experience, and whoever we are sitting here, the main experience is, research is all about your team, yourself only. And he was mentioning right now that Sarvanan sir forced that AI tool use. I know, he only said, I not talk much about AI tool, but you tell me, Mendeley is AI tool or not? Using Quillbot is AI tool or not? This interaction, yesterday I told him about one story. Last 10 years when I was starting my journey, research journey, I was about to join my PhD. I told him that when I was shifted from North India to South India, I told my friend, give me the movie so that if nobody is there, I can watch my movie. So from 3 to 4 hard days, he given me thousands of movie, 1,000 movie. 1,000 movie of different variety. I brought that movie with a lot of excitement. It was there, so much, and different type taste is there, movie taste. But from 2015 to 2025, if you ask me how much movie I watched, from that database, I will say 5. About 1,000, I watched only 5. The same thing took me yesterday when we were talking about the tool. We have lot of tools. We have n number of tools which maybe I don't know.
Yeah.
Actually, first I thank the Aditya College of Institutional Management. Then actually Dr. Saravanan sir approached me through one of my friend. Actually, one of my friend is working at NIT Karaikal as a associate professor in computer science department. He only referred my name. I want to thank Surendran sir. Then actually yesterday early morning 5:30 I reached here. Arif sir only come and pick up me at 5:30. I think he may start from at 4 o'clock. I think because my train time was fixed at 5. Then I may reach here at 5:45. So he may start from at 4 o'clock. So I disturbed your yesterday night sleep. Huh? Actually apart from that, actually 4 o'clock I got the call from Saravanan sir. Sir, whether the kids wake up or not, like that. At 4 o'clock I got the call from Saravanan sir. Then actually yesterday enjoyed session. I think you are all here my session. That is the great thing you are all doing, okay. That also I want to thank you also. Then night actually, Dirubhai sir bring me to nearby temple. Okay, it was very wonderful for me. Actually, I am from Tamil Nadu. Actually, Tamil Nadu is having somewhat close connection with the Lord Muruga. We call Lord Muruga as a Tamil god of Tamil. Okay, I went to visit the Kumaraswamy temple also. So I enjoyed the very wonderful guest house also, and I got the very nice professors, very senior professors, those who are retired from the IIT or NIT. I got the chance to meet them yesterday, to discuss with them 1 or 2 hours. Like this, actually, I think I'm getting a very good bus journey also return back. So thanks very good for the hearing my words very passionately without disturbing me. I think hope you all love my session, and I'm very thankful for the everybody and this management and everybody. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So your session is obviously it's wonderful. So this session is very, very helpful not only for the faculty who are pursuing, the faculty who have completed long back also like me. So it is also very, very helpful, very helpful. So you have given how to connect the world-class researchers using ResearchGate, Scopus, Google Scholar, everything you have clearly explained, because as you told that no one generally will share the experiences like this. We are very fortunate to have your sessions here, and surely will recommend you for the next sessions, particularly for the scholars who are working here as well as the scholars who are joined here. So surely we'll arrange, again you'll get a call from Aditya University. Thank you so much, sir. And one more thing, yesterday when we were in the inauguration function, from the members outside, so whenever we are conducting the inauguration, generally very less number of people are there, but this is the time the completely hall it is occupied, many chairs are placed over there to fill the to give the place to the participants, and few participants also they stand outside the hall. So that much of participation that is come from your end. So we are very happy for that participation. And as Abhishek sir mentioned, you have to take one takeaway. That is from this session, what you are going to do, what's your next target, that you have to decide. And hopefully, as Vice Chancellor sir mentioned in our inaugural function, so you'll get a mail regarding this particular FDP. Okay, thank you so much, and I request Dr. Kannan sir to take our token of gratitude from Aditya University.
I forgot to thank very important persons. Actually, today I am here with 3 days on duty. When I approached our Vice Chancellor without any hesitation, they are giving me the complete on duty. Okay, that also I just forgot to thank my institution. I really, I want to thank much about the Alliance University. Today I am very comfortably working in Alliance University. That's I want to say to you. Thank you.